Hey guys, Pigeon Guy here. Just back with an update for you guys. So you guys can see it's a little bit dark here because why winter and so the sun is not out a lot. Oh yeah, it goes down like early and it gets dark early because it's winter. Look at that boy there. Sorry guys, but look at that boy. It's what. Come on. Yeah guys, I changed this setup here. So do you all remember it was free mating and yeah, changed it because I'm gonna use that hinge for other breeding purposes. So yeah, let's go. This in like she laid an egg about, don't know the date, but like yeah, she's sitting now like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks. Yeah, that's right. 2.5 weeks. As you can hear, guys, the squeaking noise. If, I don't know if you can hear. Okay, there, guys. Okay, down. That father is like very grumpy, as you can see. Very old man. Yeah, guys. So yeah, this baby's here. This this bird's here. I did breed that one in the front. I'm gonna put the picture right now. Okay. Also beautiful bird. Also beautiful bird, that guys. So she's up. Yeah, there we go. So they are mate. They mate. I did pair them up in this in here also. This that cock. Where's that cock now? Yeah, that one there. I did pair up. I did pair them up in here. Oh. Yeah, I love that. I love that. I like that in really. I like that in. Really like that. And yeah, guys. There's also this in a the rain that blew by it. Uh, she participated in the $1 million. I don't know if you guys know the $1 million Sun City. Yeah, she participated in that. So yeah, hopefully there's gonna be great babies there. Hopefully, we hope so. So yeah, guys, let's go out and look at the hens. So here's the hens, guys. It's also great. Come. Here we go. Oh, you will get it in. So yeah, guys, I just want to explain this to you. See the poop, it's really dry. I use the. I'm on the. How can you say now? The dry poop system. Don't know if it's right, like I'm saying it right or whatever. But yeah, guys, that's it. I'm on that system, so that's a system that you don't clean very often. I know it sounds strange, like yeah, must clean a loft and everything, but yeah, it's not necessary as long as it is dry. The dryness of the poop, yeah, that's the part, important part, and yeah. Otherwise, if the poop is wet, the droppings is wet, and then no, it's not gonna be. That's not great. That's not great because yeah, don't want the pigeons to walk in with droppings and all of that. So yeah, guys, that's why. But look at them, man. They molted excellent, and look at that, boy. I love this end. Really like this end. Come on, go. really lekker. And yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for the subscribers and all of that. And I will be in touch with you guys on the babies and all of that stuff. So yeah. Oh, that piece in the fancy I got appearance from told me it's like 50% keto, in not 10% 15. I don't know. In the parents and I breed from them and good babies. So yeah, hopefully they do well. If I breed from her now, I'm gonna raise that babies. Yeah, yeah. Hopefully they do well. And yeah, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning into my videos and shorts and all of that. Really appreciate it. And subscribe, like, comment, do whatever one you want to do of the three though. But yeah, guys. Thanks for everything and yeah, peace, guys. It's the birds. Peace, guys, out.